Hi, my name is Lauren O'Connell and my videos help you to stylize your perfect skincare wardrobe. One question that I often get asked is, can you recommend a face mist? And to be honest, it is really hard to recommend a good face mist because so many of them contain horrible ingredients. The bad alcohols, witch hazel, and just so many ingredients that will dry and dehydrate your skin and give you the opposite effect of what you want. A lot of them also contain formaldehyde and parabens and just all those nasty ingredients we don't want anywhere near the skin that we're spending so much money on to keep as youthful and beautiful as possible. So I did happen recently to find the most amazing face mist, and I will tell you, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid for this or anything like that. It's just a product that I found and love, so I have to share it with you. And that product is called Celipede. Now, this is a K-beauty brand. This is from Korea, and this is their A Repair Plus Cream Mist. I am obsessed. And the ingredients in it are all fantastic. There are so many humectants, which are wonderful hydrators. Humectants are going to seep into the skin and hold on to water and really plump up your skin. If you're like me and you talk all during the day, yell at your kids all day long, because that's what I'm doing now that we're on half-term break. And if you're just always smiling and laughing, you might end up getting some serious buildup or just have those fine lines around your eyes, crow's feet, marionette lines exacerbated, and your skin just needs a good drink. This is the product, and honestly, I hope you can find it wherever you are in the world because it's so worth buying. This was 119 dirhams in Dubai, which is about $30. Now, I've had this makeup on all day and it is 4:30 in the afternoon. So at this point, I really need a good refresher. Also, my skin is so dry that it really just does need a drink. So I take this product and spray it right into my face, and the mist is so fine, it does not mess up my makeup. I can go like this if I want to for a little bit of a drying effect, but to be honest, the spray itself is just so small that it really doesn't need it. And I am good to go. This is a miracle product. I am in love with it. So if you enjoy this K-beauty product, check out my video right here on Watson's. It just opened up in Dubai and I cannot be more excited because I love cult and niche beauty brands.